everyone, back on the Slab Hut. Some people up there, another couple up further, Jade and Jess. Just doing a hole, big hole here. So we're going to open this basically right out, right the way around here. We'll just go straight down. We're sort of in our normal spot. We thought we'd do it again, but the river's quite low this time round, so we're sort of more in the middle. So we'll see how it goes. Jade said he's already found one. Found a nice bit. Oh yeah, see it from here.
Couple of it's only the second bucket.
See how we go. Hopefully, yeah, we'll do alright. So yeah, we're sort of more towards the middle. We're normally way up there digging. So now we're way down here, so we'll see how we go. Not the best of weather, it's raining. Anyway, we get wet anyway, so we're all good. Alright, back soon. Just have another bit of a gold turn up. A nice bit to see it. Getting some in the box, that's good. We found a couple of big rocks, one running that way, one running that way, and one running that way. So we're down, I don't know, just at my knees. So yeah, we'll see where we go. Back shortly. Well, it's raining. We're digging a hole. Still a few people keen. Jade's up there, gas bagging. A couple more up front. She's peeing down. We're off on a trek. Let's see if we can find some gold. People in the water. Digging. Nicer day than yesterday. It's not raining, but overcast. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, lots of people in the water. Digging. Boggy. There. People all along. I'm just going to go down, see if we find anything down the end somewhere, I think. So, see if we find a new spot. Anyway, back when we're there. See you soon. One of the locals.
Mate. You alright, buddy?
So he's lost his mum.
You lost your mum, mate. You don't know where you are, eh? You get slipped down in the water. Yeah, you're tripping. Where's everyone else?
My hand's shaking.
A couple bits in there, not too bad a size. So that's good. So we'll follow that down. Down the hole. Lift it up over there. See how we go. There's a big one on this big rock. You get it like Jade. We've gone around this big rock. I found that down the face of that rock. Everyone else is down here. Brendan's down there. We'll set it on the line, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, so we'll just set up out there, see if you're running good. See how we go. Right, back soon. Chasing a little seam going across here with Jade has just shifted those big rocks up there, which are bloody big. And we're just shifting across here. Seems to be a little layer running along this way. And we just found some found a good bit. So that's quite a good bit. A couple of little bits. Happy days. Yeah, so hopefully we'll just keep going down there and we should be into it. Right.
Here's my fucking bad side.
It's a good slide, I keep telling you. Right, back soon. Just did a pan.
You alright?
Just did a pan. Got a good flake there. See what happened? Just did a clean up, and that's what we got out of the top mat. A little bit, but not too much. So we'll see what comes out of the rest. Show you in a sec. Let's do another. This is the bottom mats. There's quite a few bits in there. Let's see what happens when we do the whole lot. Not our best day out, but anyway, 0.3. You can't really see it, too dark. Little bits. It's going to focus out. Anyway. Oh, good. Right. Day 3. The water's gone down a bit, so not too bad. Dave's just setting up the sluice. That's our hole. There it goes. I'm going to sit up down there. Good. Rolling along. Yeah, come back and tell you what we get. 5 minutes since I did that, just did the first pan, this is the first pan, and we got that bit out. So it's not a bad wee bit. Yeah, so we'll see how we go. Right. Gabe's just digging in the hole, clearing some rocks, and then hopefully we'll be into it. Sluice is set back up where we were, so yeah. Hopefully we'll do alright today. Only going a short time, but we'll be into it. Alright, back soon. Gabe's digging down and down and down. Getting those gold nuggets. The rain's just over there. The rain's just starting to come down. Big drops. We're not far away from finishing. Glen over there. Brendan down there. Still the keen ones. So yeah, hopefully we'll be onto it with this. Seen a few good flakes going through the sluice, so we'll see what happens. Rain. Look, big drops. Drops of rain. A few nice wee bits in there. See what comes of it. Back soon. Joe's just hanging out the last of the mat. We've pulled the stuff, we've dug our hole, and this is what we've got. Little bits and pieces in there. Not huge stuff, but anyway, that's alright. We'll see how we go. Finish it off and yeah, happy days. Another day in Shangri-La. Now it's peeing down with rain. I'm drenched. So yeah. Still some hardy souls out here though. Down here. Well, see you soon.